Okay, set up in 5 minutes, install, subscribe, and activate. Enough of theory. Let's get this thing on your computer. I'm serious, about 5 minutes, and this is one of the easiest setups I have ever done. Download, install, sign in, and done. By the end of this session, you will have Claude Desktop installed, a paid plan activated, the Chrome extension running, and a global keyboard shortcut configured. Walk through with me. So you go to claude.ai/download, and the page would look something like this: claude.ai/download. Depending on your system, it would automatically suggest you whether you are gonna be downloading it for Mac or for your PC. But you have other options over here as well, and you have options for mobile too. So for Mac, you open the DMG, drag Claude to applications, and done. For Windows, you run the .exe, click yes for permissions, and click next through the wizard, and you are done. System requirements, well, for Mac it's Mac OS 11 plus or Windows 10 plus with a stable internet, obviously. Now next is you open the Claude Desktop that you just downloaded, sign in with your Anthropic account or Google. Now the plan question: you need a paid plan to unlock Cowork, Code, and Chrome. Pro is for $20 a month, the sweet spot, all models, Cowork, Code, Chrome, connectors, everything. And this is the plan for 90% of the people. Max is $100 to $200 a month, only if you hit Pro limits consistently. Start with Pro and keep looking at how frequently you are hitting the limits, and upgrade if you really need to. Next is activating Cowork and Chrome. So to activate Cowork, look at the top of Claude Desktop. There are two tabs, Chat and Cowork. Click on Cowork and you will notice the prompt box changes to describe your tasks, and you're now in the Cowork mode. Let me open my Claude if I can show something to you. Here it is, something is already running anyway. So this is Claude Cowork. This is a new task. So let's knock something off your list. That is how your Cowork page would look like. Chrome extension, similarly you open Chrome browser. Let me open Chrome browser. So this is an incognito window of a Chrome browser. I look for extensions, so let's say I say Claude by Anthropic extension Google, and here I get in the Chrome Web Store, I get the Anthropic extension, and I would have the option to add it to Claude or remove from Claude if you already have it. So if you do not have it yet, you will get the option to add it, and you just install it over here and log in once again using your Gmail or your user ID and password. Now Chrome extension works with Chrome and Edge only, not Brave, not Arc, not Safari, not Firefox. So what you have to do now is pause this video, install Claude Desktop, sign in, pick Pro, click Cowork, install the Chrome extension, set your shortcut, 5 minutes, and go. Now what are these shortcuts? Let me have a look at it. Global shortcut is settings, preferences, keyboard shortcut set. Command plus shift plus space is for Mac, or control plus shift plus space is for Windows. Now you can summon Claude from anywhere, Word, Gmail, VS Code, without switching windows. For me it works something like this. Do you see this window? So I can summon Claude from anywhere. Now if the Cowork tab is missing, you update the app and confirm you are on a paid plan. If the Chrome extension is not working, make sure you are on Chrome or Edge and signed in with the same account. If app is crashing, free up the disk space and update your OS. There's nothing more, I believe. So, and we are done. I mean, if you have paused the video and done the installs, activated your account, paid for the premium one, and installed Google Chrome extension, you're pretty much ready to get started. To conclude, here are the key takeaways. You download from Claude.ai/download. You upgrade to a pro account. You click on the Cowork tab to activate Cowork mode. Install Claude in Chrome and set a global keyboard shortcut to summon Claude from anywhere. Then you have some resources which you will find in the resources section, and you are installed and ready. Next, your first actual task, side by side in Chat, Cowork and Chrome. No more setup, let's build something.